Are you looking for the best blender with glass jar? In this video we will look at some of the best blender with glass jar on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Oster Blender. The Oster Blender boasts impressive features that elevate its performance in the kitchen. With smart settings technology and 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings, it simplifies the blending process for common creations. The dual-direction blade technology enhances blending power, ensuring precision in chopping and grinding. The extra-wide 3.5 blade system facilitates faster and smoother results by allowing ingredients to flow down easily. Powered by 1200 watts and equipped with 900 watts of ice crushing power, this blender is a versatile kitchen companion. Its 6-cup dishwasher-safe ferrocless glass jar can withstand thermal shock, providing durability and ease of cleaning. The Pulse feature adds control and precision to your blending tasks. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender, model number 54221, is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to various blending needs. Its standout feature is the patented wave action system, ensuring smooth results without the hassle of stirring. With powerful ice crushing capabilities driven by the patented Ice Saber blades, this blender is equipped to handle even the toughest ingredients. With 14 blending functions and a robust 700 watts peak power, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender provides all the necessary strength to mix, puree, dice, crush ice, and more. Whether you're whipping up a refreshing smoothie or tackling more demanding recipes, this blender is a reliable companion in the kitchen. Its functionality makes it a valuable addition for those who appreciate efficiency and convenience in their culinary endeavors. Number 3. Instant Pot Ace Plus. The Instant Pot Ace Plus is a 10-inch-1 hot and cold blender that boasts versatility and ease of use. Developed by the creators of Instant Pot, this appliance is equipped with a hot heating element, allowing you to create not only refreshing smoothies but also hot and tasty soups. With 10 one-touch buttons, you can effortlessly whip up a variety of recipes, including smoothies, hot soups, margaritas, dips, nut butters, salsa, and more. The blender features a powerful 26,500 RPM motor with 10-speed customization, ensuring that it can handle a wide range of ingredients for nutritious and delicious smoothies. When it comes to soups, the Ace Plus excels in providing options for silky smooth or chunky textures. You can add fresh vegetables, broth, and even raw meat, as the blender boils and gently stirs to achieve perfect cooking results while keeping noodles intact. Number 4. Ninja HB152 Foodi Heat IQ Blender. The Ninja HB152 Foodi Heat IQ Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to various culinary needs. It features a 64 ounces glass pitcher with a maximum cold liquid capacity of 56 ounces, making it suitable for preparing large batches of beverages or soups. The blender is equipped with a powerful 1400 peak-watt motor and high-speed blade, ensuring efficient ice crushing for refreshing drinks. What sets this blender apart is its 800-watt heating element, allowing you to create infused drinks and soups with ease. Whether you want a cold smoothie or a hot soup, the Ninja Foodi Blender has got you covered. The inclusion of 12 Auto IQ programs simplifies the blending process, providing preset options for various recipes. Number 5. Tribest DynaBlend DB950. The Tribest DynaBlend DB950 is an electric countertop blender designed for versatile and powerful blending. Equipped with a robust 1.1 horsepower motor that operates at 23,000 RPM, this blender can handle a variety of tasks, from preparing healthy smoothies and shakes to making baby foods, soups, and salad dressings. Durability is a key feature of the DynaBlend DB950, featuring a heavy-duty tempered glass pitcher, an all-stainless steel blade assembly, and a sturdy motor body. This construction ensures resilience and complete plastic-free blending for those who prioritize health and safety in their kitchen appliances. For heavy-duty blending needs, the blender offers a 30-second pulse mode to prevent air pockets, a 60-second blend mode for simple recipes, and an additional 60-second combo mode for tougher blending jobs. The 3 pre-programmed buttons of pulse, blend and combo and the variable speed dial provide users with perfect consistency and total control over each blend.